Yo, look who's calling me. Yo, say what up, bro.
Hey!
Dude, somebody commented on my video. They were like, he's like a ghetto Z. Dude, I laughed so hard. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Shawn, back here today with another video. I've been uploading daily. It's been pretty dope. I appreciate all the people who've been just like popping in, watching all my videos, like showing support. It's fucking sick, man. Today, as you can see, I'm here in my garage, just gonna do some stuff. And also check this out, isn't this dope? It's a dodo hat. If there are any people that are out there that would like to have one of these hats, let me know. Because I have like 20 of them. I have 20 of these hats. And I kind of want to do like maybe like a little giveaway and then maybe sell some of them. Because like one, they're pretty dope. And two, like I don't know if Alfred maybe has more, but I only have like 20 of them. So yeah, if you guys really want that, make sure you comment like, yo, I'd buy one of those. Because if I can see like enough people like really want it, like I'm definitely down to make it be a thing, you know? So yeah, I'm not gonna lie though, I have like a band on the inside to keep it on my head. So I'm gonna do some flips and try to keep my ears and my head warm while I move around. So yeah, I'm not really gonna talk anymore, I'm gonna get into it. Thanks for watching, and I guess I'll see you tomorrow because we out here grinding every single day. We out. That was a good sesh. Kind of beat from it. I also landed kind of bad on these mats sometimes. Like slam my heel. But yeah, I hope you liked that. I played around with some new stuff. Like there's a lot of things in there that I've never messed around with. Yeah, I hope you liked it. And I guess I'll see you tomorrow. I didn't want to go like too hard now because I know when I train with Moses tomorrow, I'm probably gonna go pretty hard. So yeah, plus I want to get this video up tonight. It's already like 8 o'clock or something. Yeah, thanks for watching, yo. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Let's get it.